Hi, I'm Melanie, and you'll find Sarl on the other side of the camera. We came out here today to show you a very special property. Every floor plan has its unique selling points, those design elements that make it stand out from the bundle. In this design, the focus was mainly on the big, spacious living areas with a wide, open plan kitchen, dining area off to the one side, and a dedicated north-facing braai room off to the other. You've still got your scullery and your pantry to hide the clutter, and the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms make it comfortable even when the kids come and visit. This house is already sold, so I doubt if they'll give us this one. But why not call us super fast? So we can get started on yours, customize the floor plan to suit your needs, fine-tune to suit your budget, and before you know it, you have your own beach house.